How to recover deleted Instagram posts. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply recover deleted Instagram posts in 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, tap on the profile icon that is at the right lower corner of your screen. Afterwards, this is the kind of page you're going to open up. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to tap on the three bar option at the right top corner. So once you do that, a new dialog box is going to appear in which you're going to apply or tap on the settings option. Afterwards, a new series of options will appear in which you guys can head up that account option. So but you won't see that deleted post option. This is because Instagram is regularly changing or making new options and creating new spaces, and there's options and there's in this settings mode. So they always change positions from one option to another of these options. So what you're going to do is, you're going to go back and you're going to go into the your activity, and here you can find that recently deleted option as the second last option in the whole list. So when you go there, as you guys see, I have no recently deleted content. So once again, I'll come back to my profile and I'm going to delete one of my pictures. So here it is. I have deleted my pictures. So dismiss. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and check up on my activity and I'll have a look at it. So when I go over to the recent deleted, here it is. I have my picture. So I'm going to tap on that three dotted bar option and I'm going to restore it. This is how I do it. This is how I restore my picture. So this is how you recover deleted Instagram posts in 2022. So I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, peace.